This is Vishal Zariwala. I'm from J Group Robotics. Today I'm here to launch this product which is called Lithophane. This is a 5-sided lithophane and let me show it to you. This will look like a box, but it isn't a box. This is with the 5-sided, so every side you can have a HD picture and you can use it like a night lamp basically. But the idea about this is done using a 3D printing technology. So I am going to switch off the light and show it to you that basically this product looks like, and after the light how it looks like. Okay, so right now if you see, this product looks very simple to you, and this is like 4-sided. Right now we have different pictures altogether. So one is a family picture, one is a couple's picture, one is a friend's picture. So that you see all 4-sided the pictures are there. Let me zoom this and show it to you how it actually looks like when I turn on the light, and you can see the features of it. So can we have the zoom over here please, and let me show it to you that how this product looks like when you actually turn on the light. So this product is being made using a technology called as 3D printing technology. So what we do is one has to send us the photo, and we are also tying up with the studios. And certainly if you see, once the photos are being processed on a 3D printer, you can certainly go ahead and actually see a lithophane kind of image. So this is a lithophane lamp, and guys, we are trying to adjust the HD images with the lithophane image. So guys, let me turn off the light first and show it to you that how it certainly looks like when it is zoomed. So if you can see right now, this is a simple texture and it does not create a sense just looking at the object like this, but certainly it gives a glamorous and a wow effect when you certainly go ahead and put the lights on. So guys, can you see this? I'm going to show you the entire version of this. Okay, so this has got 5-sided, 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side and 5 side. And certainly if you see the top part, we have kept it empty for the messages, and where you can, if you want to gift it to someone, you can certainly go ahead and write a message. Either if you are a corporate company, you want to give it as a gift, you can put your logo and give it to it. This kind of gift also fits into your pocket, because the price range what we are looking for is going to be below 1500 to 2000, depending on 1-sided and 4-sided. So this is a 4-sided lithophane, and this is how the product looks like. Okay, got it? So that was it for today. Thank you for watching this. You were seeing the 4-sided lithophane. You're speaking to Vishal Zariwala. Have a